think it's time to start. So this is the first international conference about the first radio burst at National Johnson University. I'm very much honored to have this conference. First of all, so let's welcome Professor Huang, who is chair of our Department of Physics at National Johnson University. He's going to provide a brief introduction to our department. So thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Please allow me to take off my mask. Okay. Good morning, all participants. No matter you are online or attending in person here, welcome to Zhongxin University. I'm very happy and very proud of that the first fast radio burst symposium is held in physics department at Zhongxin University by Professor Tetsuya Hashimoto and Yuan Zhang. I believe they might paid much effort to organize this symposium and maybe take all the choice, so it's very hard. Also, to avoid I forgot what I want to say. Please allow me pick my notes, sorry. In my limited knowledge, I know FRB is a very fresh and a very new research field. First discovery might be in 2007 by Duncan Lorimer. So FRB also called Lorimer burst. So therefore the development of this research is extremely rapid in recent years. So, sorry, of course, FRB is promising and very interesting. It explores some strength and short, high energy pulses in the whole universe. So maybe you can discover alien civilization if you are lucky enough. Okay. Yesterday I Googled the Wikipedia. I found a very excellent paper published on Nature on 8th June. It's a very nice paper. The title should be, maybe I forgot, a repeating FRB associated with a radio source, authored by two groups from China and the USA, Caltech. It's amazing. It surprised me. The citation has been achieved 34 times, only in 6 months. So it's very surprised me and so amazing, so many times citation. So I think this research topic will grow very, very quickly. So through this symposium, we expect to build a platform to maximize the cooperation and the connection among the FRB's researchers all over the world, and making the research field a great step forward. So finally, I wish the symposium had a great success. Thank you. Before ending my poor opening words, may I advertise our department a little bit? I only spent 3 times to briefly introduce our department. Yes, in Taiwan we have many scenic spots from north to south. The famous spot is Taiwan 101. You may visit this spot. And in central Taiwan, Taichung, Sun Moon Lake is the famous spot. So you may pay some time or spend some time to visit this spot. Okay. Here here is Zhongshin University. The white arch is the main gate of NCHU. So NCHU is there. I use the arrow. The second photo is the Zhongshin Lake in our university. It concentrates many negative iron, so it can make me energetic whole day. And before I enter my office, I always walk along the lake, few laps, so make me one day more energetic and have many energy. The final photo, you can see a river. We call that the Cambridge River. It is surrounded by our university. You can see here. It's very famous and we are very proud of this river. This is our building, College of Style. Our department is in this building. You may have just passed this building. Okay. The research in our department include about five topics. The first one is nanotechnology, and then quantum computing. The third one is semiconductor and the fabrication. The fourth is biomedical inspection and the technology. So the final topic, and it may be a very important topic, contributed by Professor Hashimoto and Yuan Zhang. Astronomy, FRBs, and the galaxy formation and evaluation. This is our teaching space. We have a tiered classroom. Tiered means technology enable active learning space. You can see many professors dedicated to explain the physical principle behind the natural phenomena for our students. The students are also enjoying the learning. Okay, we also hold a joint symposium with RIKEN. This is 2019. We have the symposium over 4 years. So maybe next time we can cooperate with RIKEN to this symposium, make the symposium very well. Okay, so the two photos are Professor Ichibashi in RIKEN, Professor Ichibashi's lecture, and the Professor Zhou's lecture. And we also have a post competition. You can see professor and the students discuss very lively. Finally, we also invite many extraordinary researchers. For example, Peng Xuming is an academician of academia from academia cynic. He tried to show his chemical he synthesized the first time. So he's very proud to show the chemical to us and give our students many gifts for the chemical. The two photos shows our faculty. We gather every Tuesday. So we enjoy the circumstance in our department. So maybe you can enjoy the circumstance here. Okay, it's my introduce. So thank you for your attention and forgive my poor introduction. Sorry. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Professor Huang, for very nice welcome talk. And also, this is a very good opportunity for us to be known to the international participants. So thank you very much for coming to the National Johnson University. And then, from the LOC, before going to the science talk, from LOC we have a small announcement. So let me share my screen. So let me try to explain how to present your talks in this conference. Oh. Okay, so should be visible, right? Okay, so we have a brief announcement to participants. So for all participants on-site, all participants, so please make sure the schedule again. So schedule is now uploaded to our website, conference website. So basically it starts from the morning to the evening. And then important thing is on the second day we have banquet for local people, or local participants. And also after the morning session on day 2, second day, so we will take a conference picture. Please try to stay there at day 2. And also, this is also another important thing. At the last of this conference, we are going to have the ceremony for awards. We are going to have a presentation award for students and postdocs during the conference. So therefore, you are joining this competition, so please stay until at the last moment. And then, most importantly, this conference is organized by a hybrid style, so online plus on-site. So this is our first time to try. So therefore, let's let us try the best. And also questions, you may have many questions during the talks, but please use the Q&A time to ask your questions by raising a hand. Or you can use this function, raising a hand function for online people. So we have Q&A time for each talk. After they finish talk, we have this Q&A time. And then please also use Slack, which is now available, so to support your discussions. And then for on-site participants, people here in Chia-Chien University, please wear a mask during the conference. Try to minimize, we need to minimize the risk of the pandemic. I appreciate your understanding. Thank you very much. And also, as you may already know, we have Wi-Fi connection there. So therefore, please connect internet. Actually, this is necessary for on-site presenters too. I will explain this later. This room is not allowed to eat food or drinks, so therefore, please don't eat inside this office, this room. But instead, we booked another room to eat, so which is second floor. Therefore, we can go there when we eat lunch, or we take a break, or we drink the coffee. So let's we can use that room. And also, for the banquet, we prepared a shuttle bus. Therefore, please don't worry about how to go there. So we have a shuttle bus. Then we just take a bus. So that's easy. But for returning, going way is easy. Returning way, so basically, we let our participants to go home by yourself because it is very close to Taichung train station. Then I assume many of us booked the hotel around Taichung train station. But just in case, if you need a taxi, please tell LOC members we can arrange the taxi for your returning way after banquet. For both, this is the most important point during this conference. For both on-site and online presenters. So please, first of all, we have 3 steps, sorry. First, how to present your talks. Please access the internet first. This is easy for online people. For on-site people, please also access internet first using this Wi-Fi. And then please join the WebEx that was provided by Shotaro before. If you search for email from Shotaro, which was sent on 6th February, title was Logistics. So you will find a link to join the WebEx. And then through the WebEx, please share your screen. So you can use your own laptop for on-site presenters, but please share the screen through WebEx. So that is actually much easier for us to handle. So please remember. And also, please check your connection before your talk starts. Actually, we have some break time, or before starting the conference, we have still time to check. So therefore, before your talk session starts, please check your connection first. This is for both online and on-site people. And then for on-site presenters, you are supposed to come to here, just like I'm doing now. So you can use your own laptop to share screen, but please get ready when your talk approaches. And then we have two different types of talks during the conference. One is invited talks, which has 30 minutes in total. Then talk part is 25 minutes. And then we have the 5 minutes Q&A. So therefore, and then local LOC will tell the chair the time actually. So therefore, I appreciate your cooperation to give time. And also we have contributed talks, which has 12 minutes in total, for talk part, and then 3 minutes for Q&A. And then award competition, let me remind again. So if you are joining this award competition for students and postdocs, please stay during the ceremony. So at the end of the conference, so we are going to show the results of the competition. So therefore, please stay there. Your name may appear at that time. And then at the last, so as you may already notice that we have two different types of tags here. So if we find a blue color, that means they are LOC. So therefore, if you have any questions or requests, please try to find the blue people and then ask them. So your question or anything is okay. And the red one is for normal general participants. Okay, so that's all from me today. And then thank you very much for your attention, participation. And then let's welcome Taiwan and FRB conference today. So then I will pass, then let's move on the next science session. And then I will pass this microphone to the chair of the next session. He's Chia-Chien. Okay.